Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy gems on Clash Royale. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the plus sign icon of gems in the top section of your screen. On this page, you can see certain amount of gems with certain amount of money. Now all you have to do is select how many gems you wanna buy. Let's say I wanna buy 80 gems, then I'll have to tap on 80 option. Then a pop-up menu will appear where you'll have to click on add credit or debit card option. Then all you have to do is enter your card details and enter the amount of money you'll have to pay. After that, you'll have to check out and your account will be added with 80 gems. So that is how you can buy gems on Clash Royale. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.